Welcome to Broomfield Taichi Chuan. In this video, let's practice Fair Lady Works the Shuttles from the 24 posture. Begin from Golden Rooster stands on one leg in the 24 posture form. We start by stepping out with our left heel. I hold the ball with my right hand under and my left hand over. I step out at a 45-degree angle with my right heel into my front stance, my gongbu. I shift my weight and I block with my right and press with my left hand. Then I shift my weight slightly back as I bring my left foot up. I hold the ball with my left hand under and my right hand over. I step out at a 45-degree angle with my left heel. I block with my left and I press with my right. Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. In Fair Lady Works the Shuttles, it's important to use your center. So as I go into the move and I step into my gongbu, I use my center to execute the move, send my arm up to block, and send my hand out to press. I prepare for the next move. I use my center to step out, and I use my center to block and press. As you step out into your gongbu and your hand comes up to block, make sure that your block goes fully over your head and your hand is at a 45-degree angle. As you press out with your opposite hand, make sure that your intention's on the front of your palm and you have a slight bend in your elbow. Block and press. On the other side, hand comes up to block, over your head, press out with your hand. Keep your elbow bent. That was Fair Lady Works the Shuttles in the 24 posture form. Give me a subscribe, keep practicing, stay healthy, stay strong.